What is conditional formatting? Let's explore. We'll use the total salary column to demonstrate, which should be easy to understand. Start by selecting the cells containing the salary values. Go to the Home tab and find the Styles group. Within this group, locate the Conditional Formatting drop-down menu, which offers several formatting options. First, let's apply a color scale. Choose any scale you prefer. This will apply colors to the cells based on their values. The largest value will be assigned a dark red color, gradually transitioning to lighter shades for lower values. Next, let's apply another formatting to the Salary, July column using Highlight Cells rules. Here, you'll find options such as greater than, less than, and more. I'll demonstrate greater than. Enter a value like 1500. This formatting will highlight cells where the salary for July exceeds 1500. Another useful option is equal to, also found under Highlight Cells rules. Enter a value, for instance, 1200. This will highlight cells where the salary for July equals 1200. I've shown you 3 types of conditional formatting today. You can practice using the other options available in the Conditional Formatting drop-down for further customization.